kindergarten. Thank you. Thank you. Mimi and Papa.
What did Mimi and Papa get you?
Mrs. Benton. No more. Mrs. What is that?
Kindergarten gets ready for kindergarten.
Kindergarten gets ready for kindergarten.
Oh, what do we have here in this box? Are these birthday presents for you, Sophie?
Okay, can I help you? Say help, please.
What's this for?
Uh,
Oh, I know. It's a.
Look at this.
No,
I
no.
know what this
It's
is. Let's open
knock
this
jokes
first.
for kids.
Knock knock jokes for kids. Somebody I know likes knock knock.
I
Okay,
do.
let's look at Sophie's present. Look at this, Sophie.
What's that?
It's a leapfrog that she can use this to read the book. Say, look at that. Now let's open this little
What's
package. This is a book, one of the books that she can read.
Wow. Sophie, that looks great.
And we say, thank you. Who's that? Monster faces. Who do you see there? Hey, Sophie, who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Elmo.
Who's that?
Abby.
That's Zoe.
Zoe.
Who's that?
Gogo.
Go. Okay, you ready to open another box? Say thank you, G-Mommy. Say thank you, Granddaddy.
Daddy and I should read this.
Yes.
Hey, Sophie, can you say thank you to Granddaddy too? There you go.
That's a funny one.
Just sending sweet wishes to somebody who's turning. Happy birthday to you, Sophie. We love you forever. Is that Pooh? And say number 2.
Piano, what you wear?
That's
That's a funny one.
This one is going to be
Is that a mystery person?
challenge. Awesome. So I bet this is going to.
Oh.
Sophie, no hand.